Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we are with Miss,
Uma Maheshwari,
author of
Healthy Recipes for CKD. CKD represents chronic kidney disease.
So ma'am, how does it feel to be at the world's largest book fair?
It is just amazing. Simply, like people say they are not, the readers have gone down. But looking at this book fair, I don't think so.
Exactly, it proves it's
It's
unexpected.
overflowing. Yes, it's awesome.
Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
Definitely. I'm a dietitian by profession. So we are specialized in renal diets, that is the kidney diets.
Right.
So we dietitians like me and many more dietitians together have framed this book.
Right.
What is the reason behind is that for a person suffering from kidney disease, they have very limited options of eating.
Right.
So to increase the options of eating and to give them a wide variety of diet, including the cuisines outside India, these books will be helpful.
So co-authoring with a lot of other doctors, that is. What kind of challenges did you face when you had to collaborate like that?
See, I should give the full credit to the Kidney Warriors Foundation, Miss
Right.
Vasantra. She was guiding us, like she collaborated us. I was in Vietnam, not even in India, when we were doing this book. So the renal dietitians were from various parts of India, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Vietnam. So she was able to coordinate, and we sent the recipes to her, images. Then she coordinated and she built this book. It was fabulous, connecting with all such like-minded and knowledgeable dietitians who are really in the patient care.
So ma'am, I really appreciate what you're doing. I think it is a noble effort. So thank you so much for bringing this here, and thank you so much for visiting us. I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.
Wonderful.